Hey guys, welcome back to another Filmora tutorials. Filmora got a major update of version 12.5 with some amazing effects. So let me show you some very creative audio visualization effects which you can find in the effects tab. So let me show you one by one. Simply click for a preview before you apply. As you can see, these visualization effects are nicely matching with the music you have put on the timeline. Now you can also edit these effects by double clicking on the effect you have pasted on the timeline. Like you can change the position, the size, intensity, opacity, you can rotate, you can even change the color of this white bursts as per your choice. Here is another one. Now Filmora 12 is powered by artificial intelligence, so with the power of AI you can actually separate the background from the subject and put the effects in the background. So as you can see, the audio visualization is now behind this dancing girl. So not only you can apply some amazing audio visualization effects, with the help of AI you can make it more creative, more awesome, and all is done on Filmora 12 version 12.5. In fact, they have added 10 new audio visualization effects with this version. In addition to that, 19 new text animation effects and 20 new text template resources have been added to this major update as well. This text template is so awesome. Let's check few more. All these text template resources are available free of cost. Simply edit those and you are free to use it. Another awesome text template you can use for your YouTube video trailers. This one I like so much. As you know, to use the templates, simply drag and drop to the timeline and edit the text or any media that is on the template. Let's quickly check some text animation effects. So go to the text tab and there are some popular ones I want to show you which you can use on your YouTube videos for your home production, for birthday parties, your child's school performance. So these are all pre-made for you. Simply drag and drop and edit the text. Let's drag and drop this title effect, and now simply edit the text. You can move it anywhere, you can resize it, rotate it. So this is as simple as that. No need to spend hours for making this kind of titles, or you don't need any kind of expertise in video editing. It's for everybody. These are so nicely made, so no need to pay for video editing, and you can save time, you can increase your production value. So let me show you how to use this template for a birthday party. Simply drag and drop to the timeline, and you can input the original video here. It's as simple as that. So I hope that this tutorial was useful to you. If the effect is longer or shorter, you can actually set the duration from this option here. So let's wrap up the video here. If you're a Filmora user, definitely update to this version 12.5. If you're new to Filmora, definitely try Filmora 12. It's packed with features and it's so easy to use. The download link of this software is in the description below. You can try it free of cost. Thank you.